Hello everyone, I am back and sorry for not making any videos because I was busy with other stuff. But anyways, today I'm going to review the Hot Wheels car called the Sentinel 400 Limo. This car was born in 2001, but anyways, let's get started with this car. I'm gonna start it off with the body. He has a dark red body with some cool tails over here. Also has a good chrome interior. Has some yellow windows over here and some tiny wheels in the front. The back and the front are so cool. And also it has some big tires hidden in between the body and the base. As you can see, they are a little bit visible, but it's a good car though. And also has a chrome circle over here. A chrome circle. Some tiny wheels. Some good front and back. Yellow windows. And some big tires in the back and small tires in the front. But anyways guys, that's for the video. And also remember to send what requests should I make for the next Hot Wheels cars. But anyways guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Anyways, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye!